Hello from Kelly Hicks. We're always bringing you cutting edge technology to see the latest and greatest things that we have for sale. This is a campsite at Woodhaven Lakes Family Campground in Sublette, Illinois. It's a 2000 era trophy. I should have looked at the key. Hey, what's the key say, Crystal? 2000 trophy. It's got central air, dual 100-pound gas tanks. The lot measures roughly, I don't know, 42 feet wide by 120 or so feet deep. Section 11, lot 299. It's got skirting, air, gas, underground sewer, nice big lawn. The corner stake is there where the red reflector is. Got a green flag here. This yard here is where you would be able to put your deck, room. You're allowed a 400 square foot deck, patio, and room addition at Woodhaven. This is your frontage. We got some grass seeds scattered around. It's a finger on Bass Lake. You could always add a nice seawall like they have across the way. I've already got it permitted for a seawall. There's one flag, see the green flag? And then over there, there's a pink stake in the water. That's the other pin. It's got dish HD, 2.5 ton central air unit. Beautiful trailer. Trophy was a Cadillac in its day. There's no loft, but it's a nice big 1-bedroom floor plan. It's very comfortable for 4 adults. Very comfy. So let's head on inside. There's fish jumping, I am told. It has a 56,000 BTU furnace. Master suite. Nice big open master suite with skylights. Nice big closet. Closet. Another closet. Ceiling fan. Skylights. This is the sunken master bedroom. So we head on in here. Got hall closet, hall storage, nice bunch of shelving units, spice rack. Bathroom's really cool. Hardwood flooring is really nice. Look at the vanity in here. Walk-in shower. 18 cubic foot fridge. Dormer lights, track lighting, very nice bright